Is your BMW 4 Series alarm going off randomly? Common culprits include faulty door or hood switches that fail after 100,000 miles due to corrosion or misalignment, and malfunctioning interior motion sensors affected by aging capacitors or moisture. The key components of the alarm system are door and hood switches, interior sensors, and the body control module, or BCM. BCM glitches are a common cause of false alarms. For diagnosis, start with the My BMW app for scans. Recent software updates can fix false triggers in 2018 and newer models. Manual resets may be needed for older vehicles. Look for error codes like B124 for door switch faults or C1008 for sensor calibration issues. To troubleshoot, begin with visual inspections. Check for loose wiring at the BCM, typically located under the driver's seat. Use a multimeter to test the continuity of the door and hood switches. Closed switches should show resistance less than 1 ohm. Try resetting the alarm by cycling the vehicle's electrical system. Some models allow resetting via the key fob by pressing unlock 3 times. If you have a 2018 or newer model, check if there are any available over-the-air software updates via the iDrive system, as BMW issues updates to recalibrate sensors. Note that dealerships can remotely update firmware, which can save you both time and money. If problems persist, consider replacing the PIR sensor yourself, especially in older models, for a quick fix. Remember to disconnect the battery during any hardware work. As a last resort, consider professional diagnostics to avoid voiding warranties.